What's funny? That I will be smiling.
Intentional girl. What a day, guys. I'm super tired. Like, I literally just finished shooting for this brand that I'm wearing. Gone out to take pictures, gotten back, I shot a haul as well. I'm super exhausted. Yo, anyways, how are you guys doing? How did your Christmas go? This is 28th, I believe. Bye for now.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it.
Good morning. Today is what? Tuesday. Yes, currently 10. And I am going to Manchester with Fumi. Anyways, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. My name is Jennifer Uwa, a motherfucking badass, a multi-faceted creator. Ask around, they know me in the neighborhood. Anyways, welcome to my channel. So we're literally going to see her friend up to birth. By the way, I feel sick. I feel really sick. So I don't want to do any makeup on my face, but I'm going to make sure that my face is really moisturized. So we need to pick up one of this mask to use this morning. You guys help me. Okay, you know what? Let me shuffle. So let's pick out one. Okay, we picked it, so we're gonna use it. Let me get my mirror. Just give me a moment. It's a little bit too full for me, yes. You know what? One thing I hate about this. Great. This collagen has a very horrible smell.
I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man.
Just a fan. I'm gonna pick out this other two and come back and just like moisturize it in before I leave. I'm also going to try to fix up my hair now, not off camera because I need to use a bigger mirror there. Also, we just got a package, a PR. Let me show you guys. I haven't even opened it. I just picked it up now from the front of my door. So this just came in. Let's see what it is. Friends are always stressed this morning, you know. So if you are sending me a package, please don't stress my life. Oh, it's from this jewelry brand. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is so good. So gorgeous. Let me just go ahead and open it. There's a lot of cute packages, so I have to open this one up. Bring this out. Like a card. Oh yes, it's a card. Hey Jennifer, thank you so much for being part of our media team. Enjoy the jewelry. Yeah, I joined, like I'm literally just part of the ambassador program. One thing. So basically they get send me like jewelries. I'm just gonna go and join. Simply share the link or coupon code we generated for you. You can start earning cash now. I'm gonna earn cash, but it's just gotta drop. This is so beautiful. This is a bracelet, and then this is so beautiful actually. This is a chain and a ring. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, you can see. This is so beautiful. Oh God, they know me. I'm such a ring babe. Hey, yes, perfect. I said yes. Super gorgeous. I love it.
That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Yeah, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet a girl tonight. Then I go and treat her too nice. Got a red credit card.
I love it so much. This is definitely my kind of bracelet. So gorgeous. Thank you, Media. Also, I'll leave my code on the screen for you guys to check out. They have amazing jewelry pieces. So if you would like to check that out, be sure to use my code on the screen to get some money out. You guys know I'm always nice with all the money I'm giving people off. Buy from the brands that are paying my rent so that I will not pack out of my house. Thank you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go do my hair and then I'm gonna come back and take this off, moisturize my skin with my Snow Missing. So whenever I use this and I take it off, I always use my Snow Missing, Snow 92. What's it called? I don't know. The skincare thing is from I don't know. But yeah, I always use it, you know, to just moisturize my face and all of that. Yeah, so see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Just like Jose, say hi to the vlog. Cutie, cutie.
Guys,
Intentional girl.
you know, a good friend.
A very lovely friend.
Guys, we're trying to buy a card
And wrapping paper
Yes. I need like a plain wrap.
for the baby and her mom.
There's no design in it.
So we can wrap the gifts that forms the bar. We have a train to catch in a few minutes. We're trying to hurry. Hopefully we're not late. Eh? No, paper.
When you like
saw the works down sort of that way. They're more like stationary.
but do you have like the fancy thing you put like inside the bag when you
Like the tissue paper kind of thing.
yeah.
So we've got the plain tissue paper here, and then we've also got the shredded one. So if you had something like those, and we have like the metallic ones as well. They might be quite nice, you know, to
Guys, we made it.
No, my friend.
We made it. We made it.
We don't miss our train. She's having a girl.
I'm having a girl.
Yeah, she's there. Let us start our wrapping and stuff. Who move, baby?
All the running, we ran, guys. We literally ran. But we made it. This jacket is spoiling my steez, but you know,
Pick it up, you
fine, you're fine. Period.
Apparently, you didn't miss out. Out with my bro. So why you resemble your brother?
Now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
Is everybody ready?
We are ready. Wait, sorry. No. Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Your eyes.
Yo.
Yay!
Really?
No, you guys are not supposed to say congratulations.
Sorry, say my. The best of my life.
She see money, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me
Why is it coming out like this?
That's finished. So it's not one. It's okay.
I'm your man, I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No. Don't hold no right. Yeah. Good against better than nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone goddamn. Go for my niggas and the goose right there.
We secured the bag. Smile now. Why are you not smiling? Because you swiped your card.
What's funny? That I will be smiling.
Let's do this more often. You sing that me, mommy, because now you swipe.
So let's do this.
Yeah, let's go.
Still getting ready in the front. Bitches on my dick like it's done. Everywhere I go, they always got shit jumping.
that's how it's done. Let's go.